In only 10 months from now, it will be time for Wales to elect a new Senedd. If this is your first time voting in a Welsh Parliament election, you might wonder why the process needs an explanation. But as we will discuss, the system is more complicated than you might expect. Of the 60 members that make up the Senedd, 40 represent smaller constituencies, whereas 20 represent larger electoral regions. This means that as a constituent, you must vote twice. Once for your local constituency member and once for your regional member. For example, a voter in Wrexham will have to vote for a member for Wrexham and for North Wales. The first vote is quite simple. Using the first past the post voting system, a vote is placed for an individual candidate, and the candidate with the largest number of votes wins the seat. The second vote, however, is very different and uses the additional member system, a form of proportional representation. Instead of voting for a candidate, a vote is placed for a political party, who supply a ranked list of candidates. A formula is then used to elect individuals. The number of votes cast for each party on voters' second ballot paper per region is counted. The total is then divided by the number of constituency seats won by that party under the first past the post system, plus 1. The calculation is then completed for the second to fourth additional members. The system delivers 4 members for each of the 5 electoral regions, and aims to ensure that the overall number of seats held by each political party reflects the share of the vote that the party receives. Confused? We don't blame you. It's no surprise that the Senedd elections have consistently low turnouts, given how convoluted the voting system is, and the confusion that arises from not knowing which members are responsible for your area. The voting system won't be changing anytime soon, but at least by understanding the fundamentals of how it works, voters can feel empowered to head to the ballot box and make their voices heard. To learn more about the Centre for Welsh Studies and what we stand for, visit our website, centrefor.wales.